Hello, my name is Jack. I'm a product specialist at Marin Acura. Today I want to talk about the 2025 Acura MDX Advanced. There are 3 trim levels to the Acura MDX Advanced. There is the MDX Advanced, MDX A-Spec Advanced, as well as the MDX Type S Advanced. So today we're talking about this very nice feature only included on the Advanced model. It is this button right here, Massage Seats, and when you click it, it cycles through intensity modes. But there's a nice notification here that's very useful. Press and hold the massage switch to select a massage type. So when you go down here and hold, it'll immediately take you to this selection screen with a great variety of massages. This is very useful. Not everyone likes the same type of massage or needs that, but it's really fun to customize and figure out what works for you. And the big point about this is you can access it here on the dash with a physical button rather than having to cycle through your touch screen. Definitely not good to do while driving. So it's really nice how it's included seamlessly right there. Thanks for watching.